Okay, how to raise a chick microwaved. I'm going to go on a limb and guess that the chick dies. But that's just me. Bro, omelets are so good. Okay, did the camera see that? I just pretty much pulled my hand out of my pants. I was gonna say, why there? That's crazy. I do concur. Oh, wait, is that the opposite? I don't know. I agree. It's pretty cute. I like chicks. Both literally and figuratively. What? No! I was about to say! No way! Wait, what? You gotta touch some IMA shit? Like some IMA fucking ancient ritual thing? This is one of the best ones. Nobody gives a fuck! It's Watanabe! Get her out! Nice. Bruh! Okay, well, it looks like Watanabe came back. That was a good one. That one felt way longer than 1:26. That one had way better pacing. Not that I hate the pacing normally, because I get why it's so fast-paced, because it's only a minute. But that one felt slower, but still more. That was weird. That felt like 3 minutes, but hey, it is what it is. I enjoyed it. How to Raise a Chick was funny as fuck. So yeah, shout out to Hololive, per normal. Let's get